In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your windshield wiper blades on your Chevy Cruze. It's located on the windshield. We're going to start on the passenger side. Pick up your wiper. You're going to find the shorter blade. This is it. Pick up your wiper by just picking up the arm and remove the wiper blade. To do that on this one, we're going to pinch these two pieces here and then pull up. And now we're going to look at our wiper blade because they're all different. And we're going to look at our adapter set inside the box and find the ones that work well for this arm. Don't necessarily copy what's here. You're going to see what fits in here. So we have a blank slate here and this, and I found this adapter. We're going to put this in first. You're going to match arrow to arrow. And slide it into place like this. And then we're going to use this because there obviously is a cap here. So this piece is the cap. And then you have this push button thing that goes in the square on the top. So let's put this on. Snap it into place. And now we're going to slide this into place. Make sure it's locked in, like this. Take off your protector. You just slide it off and lower it down. You're going to do the same on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.